Journalist in Dodge County this morning, Tim Primo.
He shot some video from Lomira, and things up there. First of all, the kids are out of school in Dodge County, so that's good. And we also have been hearing about some power outages.
Yeah, I don't know about that at this time. I can't tell you, though, that the snow is still coming down, although it's much lighter than it was earlier. And about 10 minutes after 8 or so, it started switching over to snow and some freezing rain or sleet. So that's what's happening right now. I can tell you on Highway 41 in this area that speeds have picked up considerably on the highways. I'm estimating the traffic's moving at probably 40, 45 miles an hour at this time. I did see an SUV in the median just a few minutes ago in the Lomira area, so obviously the road's still snow-covered and slippery. You need to watch your speeds there. I think if you just drive slowly and just allow adequate following distance, you should be all right. But the snow continues and the cleanup continues here. The one difficulty that may occur later if the winds pick up in the rural areas, it was already drifting a little bit now with the wind the way it is now. The winds pick up later, drifting is going to be a problem in those rural areas.
Yeah, Tim, that's what I was going to ask you about, because this video that you shot, I mean, it looks like that there's a lot of snow, and I wondered if there'd been any drifting at all when you shot this, but apparently not.
A lot of that video was in town, so it's sheltered from the wind. But out in the country areas, yeah, the wind, the north-south roads, the snow was blowing across. You can see it starting to accumulate and drift. If the wind picks up, it's going to be a significant issue later on today.
And it looks like the heavy snow, which, I mean, you can expect. It's been raining, and that's, I think, the worst kind of snow to get rid of.
Yeah, it's heavy, wet snow. I had the snowblower out about 4 a.m. this morning, and it just, if you go too fast, it just basically just pushes the snow in front of the snowblower, and then it gets clogged up. So, yeah, it's difficult to move.
Your neighbors probably loved you at 4 in the morning with that snowblower going, eh?
The neighbors are real close. Actually, one of the neighbors was down the road. He was out with the snowblower as well at 4 a.m.
All right, so it was cool.
It's all good then.
Right, thanks, Tim.
All right, let's get over to Rob Hazel. Rob, you probably haven't got to do anything at your house. What's happening there right now?
Yeah, my house.